Don't miss out on these treasures. Did you know we can go treasure hunting on the world map daily? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will explore 2 events where you can collect free orange fragments and skill books daily and tips on maximizing your rewards. Escort. You can loot up to 4 escorts daily to earn rewards. Each escort can only be looted twice, after which you won't be able to loot it again, even if the available items are tempting. The most valuable item is the orange fragment, which can be used to upgrade a hero's star level. We highly recommend looting escorts that contain the orange fragment, as it is only available on orange and purple escorts. You can find these escorts in the loot menu or world map, but locating them may take some time. Once you have identified a target, ensure your CP is higher than theirs to secure victory. However, the orange fragment drop is not guaranteed. You may need to try again to get it. Besides, you can send escorts from your shelter. We don't recommend spending rubies to obtain a higher grade escort unless your formation is the strongest. Otherwise, the rewards will always be looted by other players. So, spending rubies for that purpose isn't worth it. It's best to send whatever escorts you have available. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Shadow Calls. The most valuable item from Shadow Calls is the orange skill book. There are 3 ways to obtain them. First, you can acquire them from personal missions with an orange chest. You have the option to refresh these missions to receive better quality chests. Second, you can earn orange skill books from ally missions. It's important not to assist allies randomly. Instead, focus on those working on acquiring the orange skill book. You can scroll through the list to find these allies. For example, one ally offers 10 orange skill books, which will be available after 16 minutes. Be patient and wait for the countdown to finish. Third, you can plunder up to 5 enemy missions daily on the world map. Look for the orange satellite that provides orange skill books and then plunder it. It may take some time to locate these missions. Remember to share their locations with your alliance members. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.